elegant click is the essence of beauty. Allow me to demonstrate. Now, say that you're here fishing and you want to check on your skills. Now, similar to the quest tab lesson you just learned, a normal plebeian buffoon would click his skills as such. And then go back to his backpack tab as such. False. Terrible. Horrible mouse etiquette. Now, the way a true gentleman will engage in the click joust is as such. A swoop, flick. Delicious. And then, when you have need to go back to your backpack to check how many fish you have, swoop, flick. Delightful. Now your mouse is back in the play area, available for use. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson on proper clicking etiquette. I will see you later.